How's it going, everyone? This is Fabian over here at Beaverton Motorcycles to let you guys know about our Sand Dune Special. We have created the most affordable Polaris sand package on the market. We are stocked up on Polaris's most affordable turbo unit, the Pro XP1000 Sport, with 181 horsepower. With its 64 inches width, it's awesome on the trails and at the dunes. Because the Pro XP is great on trails and dunes, we will include our Sand Dune Starter Kit. This kit includes an awesome set of KMC wheels with sand paddle tires, the required fire extinguisher with mount, the required orange flag, and a spare belt from Polaris for safety. We have a great finance department that can work with all credit situations and low to $0 down. We only have 6, so don't wait, come on in today. Upgrade your package to include a new trailer for only $24.99 plus standard dealer fees. Servicing bilingual customers? Come see me, Fabian, over here at Beaverton Motorcycles.